Remember on the movie Jaws when they found out how big Jaws was, and they were like, "We're gonna need a bigger boat."
You're gonna need a bigger boat.
I'm gonna need a bigger bucket. This is what we ended up with today, folks. Gonna need a bigger cooler. So check out what this episode of Crappie Fishing with Drysdale looks like. Now, tell me that them fish don't know something.
Ain't nothing in the boat. No, they just, I don't know. I don't think it had nothing to do with you because you weren't really that close at all. You was like 40 feet when they started moving. But I guess the only thing that's good, you know how sometimes.
Oh! Keeping this. Oh! You want to splash me? That's what we doing? So this was the last Wednesday, 2 Wednesdays. Oh, there you go. Oh, oh!
Oh! I thought I had hit
Hit the tree.
Yeah. Oh, they like the pump fake. Damn, you see that and he ain't even hit it.
That one did.
I think he's hungry. Change the chicken dinner. He's mad. He said, let me get that.
Oh! They're coming back towards us now. Oh my God, he's not kidding. Hand the mosey on, boy. Kill it. Hey, girl.
So you peel one from the heat.
That was a long shot.
Oh, damn, I've been. Oh no, got him with the pump fake. Like the old pump fake, huh?
Eh?
Yeah. Hide it in the stove, eh?
Okay, girl. Come here. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Got it? Huh?
Huh?
Got it?
No. Thank you, sir. At some point, we're going to have to do an intro, folks, but not right now. How many in that bucket? About 6? Come here, girl. You gonna make it.
set the hook right here.
Let's see if you want to catch the fish. Oh! Well, you can set the hook on that one.
Get up here. For those of you that think that the hook got to be big, let me show you how tiny this hook is.
Oh! We'll do the intro too.
Would you hurry up?
Go ahead and show him, man. Show him.
So, hold on.
No, we got double in twins.
Yeah, hold that. Hurry up now. You're moving slow.
Moving slow, boss. Moving slow.
So,
Now, this ain't the smallest one that I use.
look how small that hook is. Can you see that?
That one is a 1/48 ounce jig head, 1 1/4 inch jig from Crappie Baits by CMI. You already know which one that is.
Hey, we're using the same bait there, Playboy.
Yeah. And with that, what is that, YouTube? Here we go, here we go, here we go. You already know what it is. Today is another one of these days. And then what?
Hold on. He had to edit.
I'm gonna edit this out too. So you know that makes it a great day to go fishing. It is Drysdale and I'm out here on, you already know, Lake Oconee with Big Play Ray.
That's right.
We got now about what, 12, 13 fish in the boat. Why am I holding both of these? Well, anyway, I'm gonna hold both of these because they're nice size fish, about 11-inch fish. They bottom curlers. They don't turn the bottom of the bucket.
Yeah.
You know, so folks, as always, thanks for watching. We're gonna go ahead and put some more fish in the boat. So let's see how we do on this episode of Crappie Fishing with Drysdale. Let's go get them.
Get him! Touch me.
Skirt!
She touched me.
You're like, I knew she shouldn't have, but I liked it.
An hour went by, so I texted him.
You little video. I'm not getting playing. Women call me. Come here, girl. Come here. What are you? I thought you was a brim. Snail there, so you can't be in the Gwinnett County chapter. It's a different part of it. It must drag. Drag. I'm like, why can't I bring this fish in? Messing around with you. Come here. Get you over the boat. The drag was too loose. I'm reeling like, man, I ain't making no progress. Pay attention to your drag, folks. I'll be able to cure it. I don't feel like doing the work for the prevention. Same day. Ooh.
We gonna swing him. Come here. Get over the boat. Get over the boat. Get over the boat.
That same day, I fished with my buddy Dan. And I told Dan, because, you know, something Brad is because they get away with it. And so that same day, she got pregnant. Yep. Yep. That same day is when I lost that friend. Like, I got away with it. Anytime that I do it, I was putting off the boat.
by this hook, I'm gonna fry you right in the sun.
I was wondering what
Hey,
you
look.
waiting on.
Back in the day, you would have made me set my hook way too early with all that noise. I'd be like,
What? I thought you said it late.
No, he wasn't on there yet. Ouch. He was following it real good, but he wasn't on there. I was still reeling, so it would have. Ball players need just that little bit right there. They gotta take 10. Ooh, ah. Man, good play. Just don't know.
Got to be more careful. All right, YouTube, that is going to do it for this episode of Crappie Fishing with Drysdale. Big Play Ray
Oh my.
put a hurting on him.
Yeah, you know, it looked like, from looking at your code, the water level looked a little different.
You know what? Georgia Power called me and asked me what we
Yeah.
were doing because they got complaints
Yeah.
that they had to pump more water in from the dam.
Yeah.
They wasn't expecting that today because looks like the water level's a little bit lower today. Pulling these big girls out of here.
Man,
So, as always, folks, a blast fishing with Big Play Ray, the man himself.
you know it.
So, folks, you already know what it is. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate everybody who watches this channel, everybody who leaves those comments, and everybody who hits that like button. To my subscribers, my long-term subscribers, you already know. Thank you so much for your continued support of my channel. To my new subscribers, welcome to the Drysdale family. And if you just happen to be scrolling through YouTube and you came across this channel, or if somebody recommended the channel to you, and you haven't already done so, go ahead and hit that button right there to subscribe to the channel, along with that bell right there, so that you get notified when I post new videos of me and whoever I might be fishing with, catching more of these evil, but sure enough tasty, these here evil, but sure enough tasty crappie. So until next time, folks, remember, the best days to go fishing are the ones that end in Y. Drysdale out.
Big Play, we out of here.